Hi, this is Taylor with Valleyscape. If you're watching this video right now, you have a leak in your irrigation line that you can't get to shut off. So I want to get right into the video and we'll show you what you can do to get the water stopped. Southern California, where we are, most of the properties are set up the same way, and the irrigation control valve is in the front lawn. Sometimes though it's up by the front door, and that may be if it's an older house. So what you'll do is you'll come over to one of these boxes in the lawn. Usually the furthest one up, the one closest to the house, is the irrigation shutoff valve. Inside here is a valve. You can twist it, make sure it's perpendicular to the pipe, and that means that the valve is off. It's not letting any water through. You might have to check the different boxes, but it's always going to be a plastic one, and usually it'll say irrigation control valve on it. Now if you can't find that, or that doesn't work, sometimes they're frozen. What you can do is come to this box. It's marked water, and this is usually another shutoff valve from the water company that will shut down the house and the irrigation system, shutting it all down and keeping the water from flowing past this point. If you can't find that, or that doesn't work, sometimes those are frozen up or old, you can come in here. This is the meter box, and this is where they would lock you out if you didn't pay your bill. But you can use a pair of channel locks, and there's a small valve in here. You can see where they would be able to put a lock on it. You can actually twist it with channel locks. Typically, you would have to have a special key to turn it, but you can always use channel locks. Just get them in there and twist it, and you'll notice that the water will stop flowing. So this is in the case of an emergency, buying you some time so you can get the water off, and you can get a professional irrigation person or plumber out to fix the problem. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.